root 6 times 36 to the power x equals to root 6 inside another root 6. We are going to find out the value of x. Welcome to Sad X. This video I am going to simplify equation in terms of exponent. This is very important math for any kinds of competitive examination. Let's start. First, look, here is a root 6. Against this one we can write 6 to the power 1 by 2. Why? We know root a, it means a to the power 1 by 2 times this is 36 to the power x. This one we can write 6 square x. How? We know a square to the power, suppose b, this one we can write a to the power 2b equal. Now here is root 6. We will not change this root. This is 6 which power is 1 times root 6. This one we can write 6 to the power 1 by 2. Now here base are same. Once base are same, that time in multiplication power will be added. It means a to the power m times a to the power n. We can write a to the power m plus n, right? So this one we can write 6, then 1 by 2 plus 2x. What about right side? Here root, and this one also same thing, 6 to the power 1 plus 1 by 2. Now 6 we can make LCM, so 2, 1 plus 4x, and here root 6 again LCM 2, 2 plus 1. Now 6 to the power 1 plus 4x by 2 equal 6 to the power 2 plus 1 is a 3, so 3 by 2. Against this root we can write times 1 by 2. Now here is 6 to the power 1 plus 4x by 2 equal, here is 6 to the power 2 times 2 is a 4, so 3 by 4. Now look, here both base are same. We know a to the power m equal a to the power n, means m equals to n, right? So this one we can write 1 plus 4x by 2 equal 3 by 4. Now it's a simple thing, just cross multiplication. 4 times 1 plus 4x equal 3 times 2 is a 6. So 4 plus 16x equal 6. Now 16x equal 6, this 4 become minus 4, right? Now 6x equals to 6 minus 4 is a 2. Now we can divide both sides by 16, so x equals to 2 by 16. Now we can divide this fraction by 2, so 2 divided 2 is a 1 and 16 divided 2 is a 8. Finally our answer is 1 by 8. This is our ultimate answer. So this is very important. I already told you we are trying to simplify in terms of exponent. Look, here is we use root a means a to the power 1 by 2, similar a square to the power b, it means a to the power 2b, and once product and base are same, that time power will be add, and once base are same, that time power will be equal. So it's an ideal math to experiment of exponent. So no more today. This is math challenge where we are trying to simplify a math. This is my channel SATX. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.